In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to connect the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone to your DSLR. Now, this DSLR is just a Nikon D3200, and to connect, all you have to do is grab what comes in the box. Everything you need to connect to a DSLR comes in the box. This cable comes in the box, the receiver for the camera comes in the box, the two microphones, and that's all you need really. So you'll notice the receiver has some type of horseshoe, and this horseshoe is designed to sit on your camera. Now every camera has this horseshoe holder, so you just slide it in there like that and it sticks in place. And then now you can grab this cable, which also comes in the box of your Hollyland microphone, and you can connect. You can see this is a 3.5mm headphone jack. Connect that there and then connect the other end into the 3.5mm microphone input on the camera. Simple as that. Okay, so now when you turn on your camera, and look at the microphone, so whatever you record now is going to be recorded using this. So you can see the light is steady. You can now put on the microphone the way you normally put on your microphone, and you can use that as your wireless microphone as you record with your DSLR. Okay, it's really that simple. That's basically how to connect. As soon as you connect here, you don't need to even mess with the settings. It picks this as the default microphone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.